In every generation, youth holds the power to shape the world. But with power comes a question. What will you do with your time? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the greatest teacher of mankind, gave us a timeless message, one that whispers to your heart today, just as it did 1400 years ago. He, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "Take advantage of 5 before 5, your youth before your old age, your health before your illness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before you become busy, and your life before your death." Narrated by Al-Hakim. These are not just reminders. They are 5 doors that open only once in a lifetime. Your youth before your old age. Right now, your energy burns like a sunrise. Your body is strong. Your dreams are alive. Don't trade this gift for distractions that fade. Build habits. Build faith. Build a future the old you will be proud of. Your health before your illness. You run without thinking. You breathe without noticing. But one day, even a single step will ask for permission from your body. Take care of it now. Sleep well. Eat clean. And remember, even your prayer needs your strength. Your wealth before your poverty. It's not about how much you have. It's about what you do with what you have. Spend before you're spent. Give before you can't. A coin in the hand may disappear, but a coin given in charity remains with Allah. Your free time before you become busy. You scroll for hours and say, "I'll start later." But busyness doesn't knock, it barges in. Today is not waiting. Use your silence. Learn. Reflect. Each moment wasted is a moment you will need, but cannot rewind. Your life before your death. This is the final one, the most certain and the most forgotten. Every heartbeat is one less. Every breath is a countdown. Live with meaning. Pray with sincerity. Love with purpose. Because death is not the end. It's the beginning of forever. O young heart, do not let your best days be wasted in delay. Rise now, not tomorrow, because tomorrow may not come. The Prophet's alayhi salam words are not just lessons, they are lifelines. They are your guide in a noisy world. So take this message with you. Hold it close. Live it before it's too late. If these words touched your heart, share them with someone you love. Let one more soul remember before they forget. Subscribe for more prophetic wisdom, timeless light for modern hearts.